sọmọ oyè. Ìsà oyè. Afẹ́mà oyè. Ọ̀pọ̀sẹ̀kì àṣà ibù oyè. Gidigidi kọ́mù. Gidigidi kọ́mù. Ọ̀pọ̀sẹ̀kì ni kọ́mù. Ẹlẹ́ṣọ̀rọ̀.
Yes. My people, now good morning for us. Now me, now brother, now friend, about Obaze, the crack team boss, the boss of the crack team. Before we start, make a quick lot to greet our people, my supporters, and they make me strong. And they be crack team, and they be talk about field marshals, and they be talk burials, and they be member of talk about family. Feto Kosun, I see you. Chris Black, Omorige, I see you. Famo Samudi Ame, I see you. Lokima Emega, I see you. Alex Mario. Celestine Erons, I see you. Kevin Yamu, I see you. Faith Iderisi, I see you. Idaos Awosage Jerry, I see you. Joy Brown, I see you. Thank you very much. I mention your name. Please share the broadcast. Thank you. Please invite your friends. Today's going to be interesting. Musa Samori Giver, thank you. Lucky Unoma, thank you. CY Amori, I see you. Thank you. Asoro Festus, I see you. Thank you. Benedita, I see you. God bless you. Now, what we want to talk about this morning is very simple. I don't say we get politicians way good. We get some way bad. Me, I don't like to generalize because I am in the game. Just that the ones way bad, not many pass the politicians way good. That is why to identify the good ones, come the hurdles. That's why people they run from politics. As people they go into politics, they will say, I contest, they chop my money, I sell my house, I sell my properties, I don't win. That's why they see politicians when you go meet, when you go consult with, when you go give offer money, you say, no, go use the money they campaign. I can't accept anything from you. But they did very few. That is why many people they generalize. Say politics is dirty. That is why me, I will continue to charge my people and those at home and in the diaspora to be part, to join us, to join politics, so that we can remove all these miscreants, all these rascals, all these political jobbers, all these greedy men from the system. Then we So, what are we talking about today? The incessant resignation of officials of this government. Now, let me tell you something. Oshomole's 2012, that's what it be to. 2012 re-election. Ariave tried. Ariave pulled a lot of people from Oshomole's government. Even in 2016, I know Odubu's men were sacked. Odubu directed some to resign. Izeyamu team got some to resign. I don't want to mention names because some of the people that resigned then, they are with us. They don't follow Izeyamu go EPM. They are with us. So I don't want to mention names. But for people who follow a dope policy, supposed to say every 4 years, every election year, and that a year, that period, they know the green snake under the green grass. Abe ofenorioma o man, the menu, they see there. Someone received August salary before they betray. Some already discussed with the Edo businessman. I only like to call it Edo billionaire. Because all the billionaires don't even know for other countries that they do something, they go their states. If you go to the Dangote's village in Kano, you will know say yes, Dangote is a billionaire. If you go to $10 place, you know that yes, but at those states here, we don't know whether we get the few billionaires who know that they miss Sama and them Ijayi, we set up companies here, we employ people, we give people jobs, when they help people, not be the ones where not be the one where they give talks money to destabilize the state. So this period, many days, they don't really negotiate with the Edo businessman to betray the governor. So they are going for the money. Now the money that they get interesting. And there's a price for everything. Before somebody give you 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, he go use you do work of 100 million. That's what happened in front of Oba Palace. Most of the court boys have been mobilized. So that was their first assignment. Say, we settle on that day and they'll say yes. So yeah, governor and the PDP governors, they come palace. But that's your people's first assignment. Go and deliver. They will continue to use them. They will use them, they will blackmail them. Because I heard that they have recordings of many. They all come meet you, know what they don't plant recording tape everywhere. Someone don't plant camera, they video you. In future, Gandolas. Ganduje don't ever believe they record that. That's what they are doing to some of you now. I want to collect money. I want to collect money. A time is coming. Maybe you will say you want to run for position. Somebody will come to say, that time you don't say you will record you. Especially where pastor will lose. When you say Yamu will lose. Many will be made to refund the millions they are collecting today. I say, but you came here, you collected 30 million, and what did you do? On that day, they say you didn't come to the field. My friend, go and bring the money. It will be no. You go to Wawa Fuena. Somebody that doesn't even know your name. Person will not know you before. They can't tell and say, I get one, a bad boy. If you betray, just give him money. He can't give you millions of naira. When don't work, when don't suffer, make for years. He will let you go like that. We still have commissioners, we still have city commissioners. Like me, I'm never surprised. I want a surprise. In fact, it's even the God of PDP that is chasing them away. It's the God of PDP that is chasing them away. Because we have loyal PDP members that we came to join that are already doing excellent job, excellent mobilization, excellent campaign for His Excellency, Governor Noel Obaseki. They need to fill in those space. He may work commissioner. He was. When we went to wa. By wa. They need to fill in those spaces. And we go talk and say, if they want to fill those spaces, they should give those positions to real PDP members. Not the ones who follow us from APC. No. The people who follow us come from APC, they not, as we speak, they don't get attention. Me no one make them even get attention. I want make the real PDP when give us umbrella. When people will come meet, when Oshomole and the people and the NWC push us enter rain, they gave us a very big umbrella. Now then, me got to feed for those vacant positions. I will talk about Osamuyi Atu. I will talk about Gaddafi. Emmanuel Digue will resign for Esan Southeast or something. Then Oshomole brother, I will talk about them. Please, I want you to share this broadcast. Please, we have 861 people watching. If you are a strong supporter of Governor Obaseki, I never see shares now. Please, if you have not shared, maybe you enjoy the gist, why you never share. Maybe you forget. Please just click the share button. Please just click the share button so that we can have more people view us. We don't have money to sponsor posts. We don't have the kind of money. I heard from my friends in the other camp that in the last 1 week, they've pumped in about 46 million naira on social media. They are paying people. They are paying bloggers. They are boosting their posts. That's why you see views. Sometimes you see thousands of views. Then they boost and they pop. They are popping the serious money to market a bad product. To market somebody that Oshomole has already destroyed politically. So you cannot sell a bad product to us. So that's why you all need to be sharing, because if you share, that is organic. They don't get the kind of organic shares that we have. That's why they are sponsoring their post. Please, I need 1,000 shares. God bless you. That is your contribution. All those share, comment, what they do now. As play they talk now, this is 880 people watching. All the Kapi, all them Izeyamu, all them Oshomole, all of them are Kabe. They listen to me. Once I put notification, they call listen. The Gani is my number one when it comes to talk about Feed Marshal. Gani, they watch me every blessed day. During the House of Assembly crisis, where they go camp them for Abuja, Gani was always calling me. Gani, Heneke, Malam Heneke Gani was always calling me. The one what you do yesterday, take a easy now. You just finish us. I said, oh God. And then you mention my name. What is my name? What they do for your this thing now? You don't see me cause governor. You don't see me mention Obaseki name. Now maybe I don't mention Obaseki name now. Now them now you know how they mention Obaseki name. I don't mention his name. Me I just deal with the hair. Tell your God make it colors. Tell them make it colors. We'll be friend. If they give me contract that time, they give me more to make a supply that time. But now they hear nothing they happen. They call me. All of them, they say if they want to watch me, they watch me like say na football they want to watch. So you put and they say maybe somebody you put phone or they'll come start for the person back. I said that's what they watch me now. If you go to Izeyamu Kape office this morning now, I mean they listen to. So that's why I need to be pepper them with comments. 4+4 talk back. 4 PDP, 4 PDP, 4 PDP, 4 PDP. I share like those. You know one of my biggest fans. Me anytime we share, we can share. Oh God. God. So my people, see, PDP, people who come in for PDP, and they made a plan. If you want go collect money for Agoba Sini, go and collect, resign, bring your letter, come give me. Bring your letter, come give me the letter. I will help you post that for social media. Give me the letter, I will post that. So person just resign. What do you expect? Mr. Governor is not used to sacking people. All these people will resign now. Governor no there. He doesn't believe in sacking people. He doesn't believe in denting their CV. I was in a meeting one day, man said, if I sack them now, do you think they will get a job again in this country? Let them resign. They always give the opportunity to resign. Osawoyi Atu, Gaddafi, and they look that they never entered their office for the past 4 months. They never entered their office for the past 4 months. They've been playing anti-party activities. We know them. So we are not surprised now. If you check the 3 of them, the letters, now one person now is there more office for type the letter. If you go check the letter, you'll see the handwriting. What they just did, they just typed and give it to them to sign after they don't collect. Oh, Judas yo, ìwọ̀n ẹgbẹ̀tẹ̀ náà, ọ̀kìyàn rẹ̀ sùn, bàmẹ́rò. Vosanera wela onuge yame kyonge so bamego. Judas iwa gbete no okyonge so bamego. Vosanera Wela onuge ya make your eso. Mamego. Atu. Osimate no. Okyogi mao. Mamego. Osanedame. Wela onuge gume your eso. Mamego. Eodige. Osimate no. Okyogi so. Bamego, Osanedame, Wela Onuge Yamek Yogeso, Bamego. Ego. If somebody if you carry a gun, go meet person for house, rob the person. Maybe if the person don't come see money, give the person, go come kill the person for money. We still have those kind of characters for government too. If they don't have opportunity to steal, they don't have opportunity to loot, they will want to spoil. With the hope that the next government that will enthrone the present one will give them the opportunity to loot and share. That's what it means. If somebody will carry go kidnap somebody, go tie for that bush, torture the person, make the family for bring money come. If that kind of heartless person, people like that, they see food inside government. That's why they tell us, say, make una, come, make everybody they participate. Come to your ward. You went there, Benin, you went there, Lagos, you went there, Abuja. Come home, go and register. Come and join PDP. Make we pack body, enter. All these rascals will pursue them, come for politics. The politics will not be all about the masses, the people. A lady called me this morning. She said she was going to print his card, that she interacted with somebody very close to the governor. I said, how about they see for this? So, yeah, he go there. He managed a guy in Yamina. She was surprised. She told me that, how many face cap do I need? I said, if you can give me 10,000, I'll appreciate it. If you give me 100, I will appreciate it. She said she was going to print the cap and send it to me. She called me all the way from Lagos. So, make una know just they say, this one is that. There's a many, I know about 8 that they have told to wait. Those one will resign a week to. They don't conclude that. 2 days, I don't know. 2 days, if I say I describe the person, I go, no, I don't want to describe her. 3 days, Esam. Then the rest day, where would they here? About 2 council chairmen day. Those are they don't really see their money. So those are just they try to look for what they feel grab. Because this is the first time when governor would day between they call that Jack meeting. But they tell us say any council chairman will not pay salary, may not come Jack meeting. It's not fire. Anytime they call Jack meeting, now fire. You don't pay salary, you want to come Jack meeting, it's not possible. But now Shomole, they were using council money to do election. They were using Esopadek money to do election. That's why at 2 the people were Esopadek, it don't feel achieve anything. What I want to collect money for Esopadek? Where you want pass? Just imagine Gaddafi, the albino. No, not beside the laughing. That's his nature. It's albino. Now, what do they call people like that when their skin be like that? It's not the same. Not the same albino. When they see me, they say, "Man, good job, man. Good job." Anyway, they see me when they say, "Good job." That is why I don't go close to most of these political office holders. If you go close to them, they'll call it dash money. They'll call it take 20,000, take 30,000, take 50,000, take 100,000. When they fuck up like this, when they mess up like this, you know fit place them where they belong. That's why I don't go to them. I do everything to avoid them. You say I segile, oh you going? Really and deal. Because I don't like to share my loyalty. My loyalty is always with my principal. By the time I come to the romance, you, hey, how about you're doing great, send me your account, 100,000. How about you're going 200,000? As a bill like this, my man go do. So good job, man. If you see for stadium, good job, man. Good job, man. Good job, man. Great guy. Good job. Good job. Good job. So they will come. That's why he said he knows that they are going to use the media, they are going to use social media to start insulting them. Because he knows that I will come out and speak against him. I don't want to talk about Shomole brother. When Rwanda, I waited the cut that one. That one -1. Me, they will vex for government why they never pursue that one since. Why they will leave that one there since. So I don't want that one -1. So we don't count that one, job people will resign. Because that one, now Shomole card they play right for time. I never hear the man talk. When I be right to him, I be expressive. I don't know. I never hear the man talk before. So now Atu and Gaddafi, I mean what really face. Because they are hypocrites. And the only people, if you not disgrace them for their unit, for their word. If you dare abroad, you dare Benin, you dare Oriomo, you dey vote for Atu word, you dey vote for Atu unit. Una no beat, una no defeat her. Una no defeat her hands down. Una no defeat her hands down. You let make them give her 5 million, make come that place. Make una resist her. Say, hey, if you want share money, share, but you must, the voting point must distance her from where everybody wants to stand. So that you collect his money, the evil money they gave him, you go there, you vote PDP, you vote Obaseki. You do there, you vote Obaseki. See, I'm throwing this challenge openly. That's why I need people to share this broadcast. Please send this video to Atu. If you send this video too long, people may watch from 10 minutes. I am going to pay for channels. I will pay for AIT and I will pay for ITV. Make Atu engage me one-on-one. Let's go on intellectual engagement. Let Atu come and speak against the demerit, the bad side of this government. Let me speak against what development that this government has brought. I challenge Atu. Send it to him. He challenge Atu. Any station of his choice. Let two of us engage ourselves. Now from the entrance, now Atu will get when they will give him this book, make it fee, make it write his name. The only thing Atu can do is to sign. Atu cannot write. Atu cannot write. People when they finally together for Spain don't call me. Just as in politics, there are areas I don't go. They call me, tell me many things. I said no. I feel go this area, I cannot go this area. There are some personal life issues. And I won't go to that area. I take go Abuja, I take meet somebody, person can't change life. And they give me all the low down. But I will not go there. But many of them when they watch me, I know the story. From the gate, when they say, sir, write your name here as a guest on the TV. Now from there, we'll get problem. I'm challenging her too. I mean, Gaddafi. See what Gaddafi they talk. Say there are some commissioners in this government. The governor don't agree by the motto. How can if there was a night he was driving? He saw a commissioner's car broke down. The commissioner was stranded. I said, what? So it's all about you. It's all about buying vehicles for commissioners. At the beginning of the administration, most of the commissioners and they said they needed a Prado Jeep. Governor go price Prado Jeep. Prado Jeep 59,000. 59 million for one. For one. Now Jeep go show the share they give some indigents that time. They buy that pure water. No, bedo you sa. Ya bedo you sa. Governor go price. How much is brand new Prado? They say 59. They say 59 million. Say 59 million. Now there's somebody come and say, sir, this Prado na name. There's this car, Pajero. They use it very well in Dubai. This is Germany. Say Pajero is strong. Prado na name. Pajero is strong. Pajero Jeep is strong. I say, how much is Pajero? He said, it's not too expensive. How much? 19 million. Ah, 19 million. Show me the picture. Clean Jeep. Clean Jeep. Clean Jeep. I thought I was able to bring Pajero come. The first set was even brand new. The second set was Tokumbo. Have you heard of Violia? Have you heard of Violia? That time, the government was using the car where Oshobo they live for almost 2 years. This is when they go meet the other South government with the laugh. Motorway your predecessor live, now you still they use. Before you can go back. Because you are going to bring the Pajero come. In a sane society, where the countries they don't ever see one commissioner will come drive one big machine with police. No, commissioner will even drive past you. You don't go know. I still get one commissioner to tomorrow. He's driving his Corolla. He dey drive his Corolla, and he's with the governor. I never hear a complaint once. I complain once. The governor, they put the people first. But they say, how bad? They will say, they walk up or down. None of us they move. The governor is careful, looking for money from his friends. He cannot tell Oredo that say, Oredo, don't pay salary, bring the money, let me start campaign. He God don't pay salary. No, that was what they were doing before. The man cannot do it. So if there is there, they say bye. By this morning now, let me call his phone. His phone off. A sinner run it when no man pursue it. So I don't call her this morning. Why? I call her, I want to say, I beg, watch my brokers 8 o'clock. I want to talk about you. See, my screen watch out. I don't want to show other numbers. I don't see other numbers when they call. Let me just show them the time. I be your call and say, bro, Epa, I'll talk about you by 8 o'clock. Go wash out. I don't want to tell you, see what you about talk. Come wash out by yourself. But you not pick. I felt call her. Then I can't call a PA. No, like PA I felt call. The PA not pick. Then I can't call her direct. I don't know why they run from my number, from my phone. See, that's his PA Omo Kelly 2. Then that's Atu Osamoyi 2. She wanna say I call her 2 times. You not pick. No, you know but not go. May I call her again? Then if anytime we phone ring, I will now release his number. More now we come from Morion, more they call her. Say big show now.
Hello, the person you are calling is on another call at the moment.
He's not on the phone. People are calling him. I'm going to release his number for people to call him. I know how many times Atu don't sponsor social media propaganda against Esopadec, against the Oil and Gas Commission. With all these boys, Omo Kelly. Might call somebody. May I tell you name was say, now why did they respect me? Now police don't respect me past so. They say they look for somebody who will be like that bad for their side. They never see. How far now, brother? It's all. Me, I did live video. I don't know whether you would like to talk about what me and you tell Atu for SSG house. May I put you for line? May you tell your talk what happen. I take meet Atu PA. What happened that day and how Atu talk to you. I bet hold on. Please.
Put me for that.
This is Comrade Enauna Ibude. Enauna, they will not see where OSSG 3 days ago.
Atu is a rebel.
Okay.
You know what happened? Apatoba said you are like a Jesus Christ that is in the prophet. You see Atu with his boy. You were telling him that this boy that you are carrying is a rebel. Atu was doing a thing he does not know what is happening. Now, you not tell him that he was doing a post He got Captain Usa.
Yes.
Then the boy we are trying to tell you does not know, he just try to post the post. Don't know it that him and Atu, they are the one showing the rebel stuff that they are doing. Do you understand?
Yes.
I was shocked. Atu was even telling us that please, we should take it easy that he's going to drive the boy from his job.
Even when they talk with an EDPA woman, madam, it's okay. I took carry you go corner, say one sack the boy.
Yes, they want to sack the boy. I was surprised now. And Atu was even begging you about Omade. You should not allow the matter to go viral because of where we are. We were in SSD's house. Then now, Atu now went to. Well, I will not blame Atu. Let me tell you something, Mr. Abad. Even Atu go, he not go. They are not the voter. Atu does not have the follower. Atu is a woman. Now your wife not the man.
No, not go there. Not go that side. Not go that side.
You said I not go that side.
No, not go that side. I dey wait. I dey wait make Atu carry mic cause governor. More wait. He never talk. He never cause governor. Now let talk say he resign. More wait before we go come Noah.
As far as the truth of the matter, they say now lie. So the whole world is here.
No, more never go that side. More never go that side. You just confirm what I want to talk. I'll call you back. Thank you, boss. Thank you. 4 days ago, we just did my leader house, the leader of my local government, Barrister Sarjiogi. I saw Atu's Prado Jeep. Me yesterday, I said that your wife not buying for him. I don't know. Your drive, can't see boy for front seat. This boy is always talking anyhow. Let me confront because I only like side talk. I said, since Atu is here, let me confront the boy in presence of his boss. I said, just when I say Pala, Yagu, I just call Atu. I said, hey, this is your boy. I don't want a situation whereby we will now feel that you are the one telling him what to do. This boy is not with us. You can't be carrying, you can't be with us. Your boy will be writing nonsense on social media. He said, what do you write? The boy was like, attack governor, they talk, say, make this one. I say, no. Atu was like, okay, it was mainly the boy. Politicians, they are deceitful, they are evil. I said, the ones that they respect, they're very few. Now, brain and they just follow them. So when they have people, when only me, government, how can you do that? Wow, the boy. And I tell you, when no think I say I can't fall your hand for where your boss they. You just need to the way your boss they supposed they. I don't know say Atu was just acting. Yet Atu came to me that I should please bring down my voice that he doesn't want SSG to hear. At SSG we banned the boy from coming to his house. And the boy is a rebel. That he was going to sack the boy. I was shocked. 2 days later, I can see Atu. So, it don't surprise me. Some evil person will follow you eat in the evening. The next day, they'll plot your downfall. So, man, don't worry. Everywhere they okay. Atu not get followers. Many farmers, they village, when know everybody, they get votes, they get followers past Atu. We know how Atu take get the position. We know how Gaddafi take get the position through Pastor Itwai Godaro. So my people, 4+4, talk bar. 4+4, talk bar. Europe, I fear. All my field marshals, they are already working across different local governments. They are calling people. The ones that don't have card to call, I buy them card, glow card, to call people. Now, PDP, no, they are working. They are working their respective work, their respective units. So my people, my friends, why not they look? See, people, you know people fool of my party PDP when they wait, maybe person resign when they enter the seat. See when the Obama resign, hey Obama, look at FS Stewart today, then FS Stewart, Obama feel not even vote on that day. Because shame no will let Obama go feed. Because they will defeat her for unit. Governor get sharp don't get replacement for everybody. So if you collect money and at last minute, now you want to betray. Now you know what betray. The masses are not carried away by all those things. We're not saying go betray. Now you know. Go betray. On that day, everybody don't share their PVC. Yesterday, a friend came to me and said, Abba, please, you gave me 50 stickers last time. The pack where you go share the sticker of governor, they almost tear and say, why you go bring 50 stickers? Everybody want to carry governor sticker. You see, they call me so. At 2, now they call me so. I won't pick for now. I don't pick. Means I will go get our private discussion. And they call me back now. And you call me back. I want me to first talk first. See, he's calling back. See, they don't call and say how bad they talk about you. I feel run election in future. I don't want to make God give me people like this. We will betray me. We will betray me. We don't want. So if I want to contest election in future and you want to support me, if you be betrayed, I know you're near me. I prefer to work with. That's how, man. So my people, Obaseki, Oba, 4+4 Oba, where we are. Igbera wo, gbera we no pope do, igbera wo, igberi zede wedo na popo, gbera wo, gbera we no pope do, igbera wo. So why I always say, I appreciate you, I thank you for sharing, for commenting. So I said, I didn't fear peak. No, I don't do my things like that. I felt call before I enter this live broadcast. I don't give an opportunity here to call the one defend yourself. Don't worry. I'll first talk to her first. Good morning, madam. How are you? I'm fine. No. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think say you do one yesterday. Okay, maybe now old now. Okay, what? Okay, let me call you back. I'm live now. I'm talking to our people. Yes. Sir. I mean, you want to allow them? Don't worry. No. Don't worry. We'll bring you live. I'll just. But are you free today? And can we do at 1 o'clock? Okay, 3. No, 3 is not too late. 3 is fine. Then America, Canada can join us live. All right, 3 is fine. 3 is okay. All right, thank you, madam. Thank you, mom. Yes, mom. That's Okinebo Dari that just called me. Executive Director to the governor. Actually said to the governor on jobs creation. She's the head of Edo Jobs. So she'll be live today, 3 o'clock. They don't, not say they push her time will make her come talk anyhow against the government, and so she's coming to educate Taiwo and all these EPA people. So 3 o'clock. Now last week I won't bring her come. I said no, maybe we flag her first. 3 o'clock she'll be live on Cracking Naija, Facebook, YouTube. So don't go anywhere. By 3 o'clock, make sure you don't stay glued to your phone. She's going to respond to the lies, all the things the dwarf Taiwo said against his government. So my people, you could not worry. Everywhere they're okay. 4+4. Talk back. Obaseki must come back to serve us for another 4 years. God bless you. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing. By 9 o'clock, I think after 3 o'clock, we'll still give you another this thing. So if you are doing videos in support of Obaseki, post it on your Facebook, send to my WhatsApp. Everybody that blogger, they do video. And I want to say a big shout out to my brother, the wounded civilian, my sister Stainless, my brother Comrade Newton in Spain, Edo Voice, the many, Princess Maggie, Aramioya OFA, many of them that are bush lion that are supporting the governor. Then they bring money, they call it, they come home. I hear say they want to come begin to pay people for diaspora. They don't enter New Jersey yesterday. A lady collected money in New Jersey to change Obasanjo's WhatsApp group to POI. Oh, sawa here day. Yeah, who are here wreck. At the end of the day, God, the people will still vote for Obaseki and PDP. Thank you very much and God bless you. See you by 3 p.m. God bless you. Bye.